What is the significance of karma? In some instances, it's a profound significance. It also has the capacity to light up areas of your own life so that they make sense. Without understanding karma, as is done in the West, it leaves one with really only one tool to approach God, and that's faith. Because nothing in life makes sense. Why are some children born crippled and blind, born with AIDS, born from cocaine-addicted mothers with brain damage? We noted in earlier lectures that at the moment of birth, everybody already has a calibrated level of consciousness. At the moment of birth, instantly, you enter this domain at a calibrated level of consciousness. Now, we could explain physical differences genetically. We could say, well, that genetic potpourri, the game of chance of genes and sperms and all that stuff, would explain why. This child is crippled, this child is blind, this child is deaf, and this child is a genius, and this child writes symphonies at age 4. That would be the mechanistic, reductionistic, scientific explanation. It's just genetic chance, combinations and permutations of all those genes and chromosomes. So that would be fine. Except that when we calibrate their levels of consciousness, we find that the calibrated level of consciousness is completely different. That is not genetically determined. It's not determined by chromosomes. In fact, it's the other way around. Because of karmic inheritance, one automatically comes into certain genetic and chromosomal patterns, which then become the mechanism by which that karmic propensity expresses itself.